Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Altima headlight. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet with a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new headlight assembly or bulb ready to go. Safety first, so park your car on a flat surface and set the parking brake before you begin. Now, let's get to the headlight itself. You'll need to partially remove the front bumper cover to access the headlight assembly. Start by removing the plastic clips and screws that secure the top and side of the bumper. Gently pull the bumper cover forward to create enough space. This step might seem a bit tricky, but taking your time will prevent any damage. With the bumper cover out of the way, you can now remove the old headlight. There are typically 3 or 4 10mm bolts holding the assembly in place. Unscrew these bolts, then gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. Once it's free, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the unit. Be gentle with these connections to avoid damage. Finally, it's time to install your new headlight. Connect the electrical wiring to the new assembly, ensuring each connection is secure. Carefully slide the new headlight into its designated spot and reinsert and tighten the bolts you removed earlier. Once the headlight is secure, reattach the bumper cover. Before finishing, turn on your lights to confirm everything works correctly and check the beam alignment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.